Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm back with a new recipe. I'm going to show you how I prepared this banana milk. It tasted amazing, and especially during the festive season, we have a lot of custard that is left over. We can use this custard to prepare this banana milk. I also used this marshmallow lolly stick as a stir stick for this recipe. It's so cute. Okay, let's look into all the ingredients that I used for this recipe and get started. Here is all the ingredients that I use. Ripe banana, you need ripe banana for this. Custard, leftover custard is what I'm using. I've got a detailed recipe how I prepare custard. I'll post the link in the description. And I'm using this marshmallow pops as a stir stick. So I'm just going to simply peel the banana, add it to a blender along with the custard and blend it. If required, you can add sugar as per taste, but the sweetness from the banana and the custard itself was more than enough for us. I'm using cornflour based custard. I'm not using an egg based custard. So I've got a detailed recipe on that. I'll post the link in the description. So just blend all the ingredients. If needed, you can add extra milk or sugar as per your preference. Once it's blended, you just serve it as it is, or you can chill it and serve it. It's up to you. You can use these marshmallow sticks as a stir stick, or they call it as a lollipop. So I used it as a stir stick and I served it. It's a wonderful and easy to prepare banana milk recipe. Do give this recipe a try and post your comments. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. All the links to my blog, Instagram, Facebook and Twitter will be in the description box below this video. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video, friends. Until next time, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.